I have a 2008 Honda Odyssey, and I'm going to show you the lift points or the jack points on this vehicle. Let's get started. There are 2 primary jack points on this vehicle, 2 underneath the vehicle on the front and 2 on the rear. You'll find the first one on the driver's side right behind the driver side tire. On this pinched rail right here, you'll see that there's a lip on the edge. This is going to be here, and then across you'll see it also over there, right in the center of the screen. I'll go jump over there and show you. But yeah, as you're looking under, right before the tire right here this is called your pinched rail. So you want to jack up the vehicle on this pinched rail right here. This is like reinforced steel. See how there's a couple layers right here, and it's bent just for you. And there's a cutout in this siding. So you want to lift here and then put your jack stands on the subframe. Okay, so here's an example. I'm on that driver's side pinched rail front part right there. I got the jack. I'm going to start lifting it, and then I'll put a jack stand on the subframe right here. All right, so I got the tire elevated off the ground. I'll go ahead and put my jack stand in now. Okay, here's an example. Tire's elevated off the ground, jack stands on the subframe, and I got the jack on this pinched rail jack point right here on the driver's side. So now I can maintenance on my tire right here. And I'll do the same thing, mirror image on the passenger side. Let me show you what it looks like on the rear. This is the rear driver's side tire. Let's go under to see the bottom part, and boom, right away you can see this pinched rail divot right here for the jack point. You see the cutout. This is on purpose, and you see the cutout right here so that you can put any type of like lifter bar arm or scissor jack right here. What you want to make sure you never do is, if you have, for some reason this isn't accessible, I'm not sure why, but if it is, you can lift on reinforced sections of the subframe, like right here would be good. You never want to lift on your control arms, which is this bar that connects to the tire right there. Now this is looking at the vehicle from the rear going to the front. So the driver side tire is right there, passenger front tires right here. I'm at the crossbar of the rear, and if you wanted to do a jack point back here, there's this tab that's reinforced on the crossbar. You can jack off of this point right here. So this is a protected location as well. All right, I hope that video was helpful for you in your project. Thanks for watching.